morning children, and today we are going to start a new chapter, which is what changes around us, right? Why this chapter is important? Actually, this chapter is the part of chemistry, and once you have clear idea about the changes, okay, how to categorize, how to classify changes, you will be in a better position to in order to understand the changes related with those changes. Like if you will understand, there are many changes: physical changes, chemical, reversible, irreversible, periodic, non-periodic, slow, fast, okay, natural, man-made changes. So there are many changes, but in your book there are two types of they are broadly classified into two categories. So we will discuss this. First of all, if you have a look, you will see changes everywhere, okay. Suppose babies, okay, they change into adults after years and years. So this type of change is very slow, okay, not easily observable, but babies change into adults is a change. Similarly, day, every time we see that day changes into night, then again night changes into day. So this is also a type of change. Another, cooking of food, okay, the raw vegetables which don't appear to be very tempting, but once you cook those vegetables, okay, they a very good taste is developed, isn't it? And we are going to see also in the end that whether we are going to reverse the change or not, okay. Whatever changes we are studying right now, we will see in the end also, okay, whether they can be reversed or not. Like rusting of iron, you might have seen brown colored substance, brown colored, oh okay, brown colored, हाँ बेटा एक second. So rust is actually what? It is a brown colored substance, okay, and it eats away the metal, okay. आयरन को वो क्या कर देती है? ख़त्म कर देती है, okay. उसकी लाइफ क्या होती है? वो बहुत ही कम हो जाती है. So we will discuss this also. Change in seasons also. You may have variety of clothes, isn't it? बहुत तरह के क्लॉथ्स आपके अलमीरा में होते हैं, isn't it? Like विंटर्स के लिए आपके वुलन क्लोथ्स, जैकेट्स है ना, स्वेटर्स. सिमिलरली फॉर समर सीजन यू हैव वेरी लाइट फैब्रिक दैट इज़ मेड कॉटन एक्चुअली. और वो भी आपका जो है चेंज होता जाता है जब जैसे ठंड की तरफ प्रोग्रेस करता है. अक्टूबर में आप देखेंगे यू स्टार्टेड वेयरिंग हैवी कॉटन, इजंट इट? सो चेंज इन सीजन्स, ओके. चेंज इन वेदर ऑल्सो. अभी आप देख रहे हैं मानसून आ गया है ना, बट यू मे फाइंड चेंज इन वेदर एवरी टाइम. अभी आपको लग रहा है कि हाँ क्लाउडी डे है, उसके कुछ देर बाद आप देखेंगे क्लाउड्स डिसअपेयर. इफ अगर विंड ब्लो कर रही है तो क्लाउड्स में डिसअपेयर. समटाइम्स रेन में ऑल्सो हैपन, इजंट इट? ग्रोथ ऑफ हेयर एंड नेल्स, ऑब्वियसली दिस इज ऑल्सो अ चेंज विच कीप्स ऑन गोइंग. Conversion of milk to cottage cheese, which are discussed in chapter 5 also. Cottage cheese is what? Paneer, okay. And blooming of flowers. So there are so many changes. If I keep on giving you examples of changes, obviously this lecture will take much time. So let me start with activity 1, which is given in your book, okay. So for activity 1, what you have to do is to take a balloon and blow it, okay, and take care that it does not burst. So what I have taken is a balloon, okay, and it is actually inflated balloon. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? balloon में हवा है ना, inflated balloon. In another activity, what is there? Take a sheet of paper and make an aeroplane. जो आप सबने बहुत बनाए होंगे. This is aeroplane, right? And another is a dough, okay, a ball of ball, ठीक है, dough which is in the shape of a ball, okay. So what I am going to show you is that there are 3 things that have been asked, okay. In the first case where there is, okay, so what I am doing is to, you can see easily that the air that was filled, okay, it has so you can see what, that that all air escapes the balloon. So it is now deflated balloon, okay. So I started with the same shape, and you will find, okay, when the air, you know, has been expelled out or was escaped, you will find the same shape again, isn't it? So this is actually one type of change. Another change that has been asked to you people is that this is actually the sheet of paper through which I made aeroplane. Now what I am going to do is to unfold that paper. Now you have that paper, isn't it? You have the same paper. I think you will be able to see this. The same sheet of paper, right? There is no change except creases, okay, which are, you know, quite difficult to remove. Otherwise the sheet is same, the same paper. Now the next change that we are going to see, we have taken dough, okay, and ball has been, I made a ball like this, okay. Now if I will press it gently, okay, you can see that the shape has been changed. Right. So the shape has been changed here, but the dough is still a dough, okay. आटा जो है वो आटा ही रहा, okay. It has not changed to something else. So there are few questions that have been asked, that what these three activities that we have done, what do they have in common, right? Was it possible to get the balloon back to its original shape and size? So what you will answer? Obviously yes. When I inflated balloon, okay, before inflating balloon, the balloon was of this shape, okay, and when air was filled, obviously it takes the air, you know, that I blow in the balloon, okay, it, you know, occupies the entire space present in the balloon, and when I remove the knot, what happens? You will find the same shape of the balloon again, isn't it? Now the second is, was it possible, was the size of the paper same as before and making before and after making an aeroplane? Okay, so size, obviously size में change आया था, but once I unfold that paper, now it is the same, okay. Now third is, was it possible to get back the ball of dough? Again I pressed it gently, you are finding it, okay, somewhat pressed. Now if I want to make a ball of dough again, I think I can do it, isn't it? तो आपको ये दिख रहा है ना बच्चों? So this is actually these activities, you know, they have been introduced to you for some purpose. You will understand it later, right? Before this, I want to conclude that. Let's come to the board. So the question is it possible to get back to the material with which we started our activity? So the answer is yes. Answer is yes. And such type of changes are known as reversible changes, right? They are known as reversible changes, okay. Reversible changes are what? It means that the changes occurring in these activity can be reversed. They can come, you can change back to the starting material where you have started from. जो आपने एक्टिविटीज़ जहाँ से शुरू करी थी, आप उसको फिर से वापस उसी फॉर्म में ला सकते हैं. उसको हम बोलेंगे क्या? रिवर्सिबल चेंज बोलेंगे, ठीक है. अब नाउ वी विल डिस्कस एक्टिविटी 4, 5 एंड 6 एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल derive or write a definition for reversible and the other type of change that you will study now. Yes, so for activity 4, what we need to do is to take the same balloon, okay, and you have to blow it to its full size, okay, and tie its mouth with a string, okay. I tied this balloon and prick it with any sharp pointed object, like what I am doing. I have taken 50 pin, so the balloon burst, okay, okay. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा. So another activity is, Mainu please, aeroplane दीजिएगा बेटा, aeroplane, thank you. Okay, now this is the same sheet that I am using, okay, and on which I have drawn aeroplane, right? All of you can do, you can cut the aeroplane, okay, across its, you know, outline. जो भी outline बनाई है आपने, you can cut it. So what you can find, okay, this type of aeroplane cutting, and what you are finding here, okay, is the paper, the obviously the outline, and you will find that if I want to fit it back into this again, it is quite difficult, isn't it? So in the sixth activity, what you have to do is to roll out a roti from the ball of dough. Maida, roti do, give me roti. Okay, ये मेरी बच्ची ने रोटी पूरी वो कर दी है, लेकिन ये this is actually from the same dough which I had shown you in activity 3. So you can see, if I want to change it back into dough again, am I able to do so? So the answer will be what? I think you must have an answer. No. So there are few questions that obviously these changes, okay, if I want to get the same balloon back to its original form, no, not possible. Here also the answer is no, and in the case of chapati, the answer is no. We will be unable to change back chapati or roti into dough again. Okay, so we have derived one more term, and that is what? Irreversible change. Irreversible changes are what? Changes that cannot be reversed even by changing the conditions. Okay, बेटा एक सेकंड, उसको क्या हम बोलते हैं? इररिवर्सिबल चेंज बोलते हैं. जैसे आप देखेंगे इसमें एक और एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है, द पेंसिल्स दैट यू यूज, इरेजर्स दैट यू यूज, could you be able to reverse the change? Could you be able to repeat their shape and size? So answer will be again no. So let's come back to the so you have seen clay also. There is one example that was left, clay. You might have seen potter, okay, making a pot out of clay. So this change is also what? Can you change back pot into clay again? Answer again will be no. So what type of change it is? It is actually irreversible change. Now let's clear the definition part first. Changes which can be reversed easily by reversing the conditions to obtain a substance in its original form is known as what? Reversible change. Okay, like in activity 1, 2 and 3, what we have seen is a reversible change. Okay, irreversible changes that cannot be reversed even by changing the conditions to obtain a substance in its original form. उसी फॉर्म में बिल्कुल आपको मिल जाए सब्सटेंस, और अगर नहीं मिल पा रहा है, आप चाहे रिवर्स वैसे ही कंडीशन फिर से कर रहे हैं और फिर भी नहीं मिल पा रहा है, तो इट मीन्स व्हाट टाइप ऑफ चेंज इट इज इररिवर्सिबल चेंज. जैसे हम लोग एजिंग, आप देखते हैं कि एडल्ट जब छोटा सा बच्चा होता है और जब बड़े होना शुरू होते हैं, व्हेन वी प्रोग्रेसेस एज की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, तो क्या कोई भी बड़ा कभी फिर से बच्चा बनाए? नो ना. एक बार फ्लावर्स ब्लूम कर गए और अगर वो उसके बाद जो है ड्राई हो गए, तो उसके बाद आप देखेंगे कि यू कैन नॉट मेक दोज फ्लावर फ्रेश अगेन. यू कैन नॉट यू विल नॉट हैव दैट थिंग इन पावर कि आप जो है ऐसा कर लें, है ना. So there are many examples of reversible and irreversible changes. So let us do one table that has been given in your book. Okay, so types of changes में अभी हमने पढ़ा है reversible और irreversible. So I have drawn a table, right, in which what you have to tell that there are 12 changes have been given to you. You have to tell whether these changes can be reversed or not by saying yes or no. I want you all of you to add one more column to it. Okay, there are 2 columns here. You can write in the end. Okay, if you are writing yes, then write reversible change in your notebooks, and if you are writing no, then write irreversible change. Okay, which will help you in writing examples of reversible and irreversible changes. Okay, so raw egg to boiled egg. Think about it. Can you ever change boiled egg to raw egg again? So this could be what? It cannot be reversed. तो इसमें आपका आंसर क्या होगा? Can be reversed? No. If your answer is no, तो what type of change it is? 3rd column में आप लिख दिएगा, ऐसे यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करके मैं तो ऐसे हाइफन लगा के लिख रही हूँ, इरिवर्सिबल चेंज। I फॉर इरिवर्सिबल, C फॉर चेंज। हाँ बेटा। Now our second example is better to idli. Okay, better to idli again, is it going to be reversed? Can you change idli back to better? No. So if your answer is no, then what type of change it is? It is irreversible change. Okay. Now wet clothes to dry clothes. Obviously your answer can be dry clothes can also be changed to wet clothes, isn't it? So answer if this change can be reversed, it means that what type of change it is? It is reversible change. Okay. Woolen yarn to knitted sweater. आपने बहुत देखा होगा, अगर एक भी थ्रेड उसका या स्वेटर का निकल जाता है कहीं से भी, तो वो क्या हो जाता है, फिर से आपको क्या हो जाता है, वो पूरा स्वेटर ख़राब हो जाता है ना, हल्के हल्के उसका पूरा थ्रेड जो क्या होता है वो निकलने लगता है। तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है? दैट यस this change can be reversed. You can again change back to back knitted sweater to woolen yarn again. Knitted sweater can be changed to woolen yarn. बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं, ऐसा भी करते हैं जो लोग घर में knitting करते हैं, अगर एक स्वेटर से बोर हो गए तो वी हैव वन मोर ऑप्शन कि उसका स्वेटर का yarn जो है वो निकाल लें, वूल निकाल लें और फिर से उसको किसी और फॉर्म में यूज़ कर लें आप, है ना। तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? येस, इट कैन बी रिवर्स्ड। सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ चेंज? अगेन रिवर्सिबल चेंज। ग्रेन टू इट्स फ्लावर। जब एक बार ग्रेन आप ग्राइंड कर देते हैं एंड इट इज चेंज्ड इनटू फ्लावर यानी आटा, तो आप आटे को दोबारा से ग्रेन में चेंज कर सकते हैं? नो। सो आंसर विल बी हियर नो, इरिवर्सिबल चेंज। नाउ कोल्ड मिल्क टू हॉट मिल्क। ऑब्वियसली ये आप शायद डेली कुछ ना कुछ चाय पीते टाइम या फिर इफ़ यू कंज्यूम मिल्क अगर आप पीते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा कि कोल्ड मिल्क को हम हॉट मिल्क में कैसे चेंज करते हैं, रेफ्रिजरेटर से निकालते हैं एंड वंस वी हीट तो वो क्या हो जाता है, हॉट मिल्क में चेंज हो जाता है। एंड वंस यू कूल दैट हॉट मिल्क, ओके, इट विल चेंज इनटू कोल्ड मिल्क। या तो थोड़ी देर रख दीजिए या फैन के नीचे रख दीजिए या फिर आप रेफ्रिजरेटर में अगर आपने थोड़ी देर बाद रख दिया तो इट विल चेंज इनटू कोल्ड मिल्क। सो आंसर इज अगेन yes. So what type of change? Reversible change. You understand now? What you have to do is to draw the table like this. और उसमें आप क्या लिखेंगे? Type of changes में ही reversible और irreversible change. Okay? A straight string to coiled string. Yes. It can also be what? Reversible change. Bird to flower. No. So what type of change it is? If the change cannot be reversed, it is irreversible change. Milk to paneer. ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना, पनीर जितना आपने यूज़ किया, मिल्क को पहले पनीर में चेंज किया। यू नो हाउ टू मेक पनीर, isn't it? कॉटेज चीज़ जिसे हम बोलते हैं, अगर उसको आपने पनीर पूरा यूज़ नहीं हुआ तो क्या कैन यू चेंज इट बैक टू मिल्क अगेन? नो। तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? नो, irreversible change. Cow dung to biogas. Obviously no, this change is also can't be reversed, so it is what? Irreversible change. इसमें देख लेते हैं, stretched rubber band into its original normal size. Obviously you can change stretched rubber band to its normal size, और अगर आप प्रेशर बहुत एक्सीड करेंगे तो क्या होगा? रबर बैंड विल बी ब्रोकन। ओके, तो इसमें भी आप लिखेंगे यस, रिवर्सिबल चेंज। एंड आइसक्रीम टू मॉल्टन आइसक्रीम, ये तो सबको ही अच्छी लगती है आइसक्रीम, मॉल्टन फॉर्म में तो इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती ना, तो आइसक्रीम कैन बी चेंज्ड इनटू मॉल्टन आइसक्रीम। आंसर विल बी यस। एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ चेंज? रिवर्सिबल चेंज. So in the next video I will explain you the other two changes that have been left, right? For this video I think it's the clear, I think reversible and irreversible changes. Clear your concepts very well so that we will move ahead.